Welcome. Today, we are delving into a truly extraordinary and thought-provoking document, Albert Einstein's famous Letter of God. This letter, written in 1954, just a year before his passing, provides a rare glimpse into the mind of one of history's greatest scientific figures. It offers a deep and personal perspective on some of the most profound and debated topics: science, belief, and the nature of existence. While Einstein revolutionized physics with his groundbreaking theories, his personal views on faith and spirituality have often been misunderstood, oversimplified, or even misrepresented. This letter helps clarify his true stance, revealing his intellectual honesty, philosophical depth, and enduring curiosity about the mysteries of the universe. For decades, this letter remained hidden from public view, largely unknown outside of academic circles. That changed in 2018 when it was auctioned for nearly $3 million, instantly sparking widespread discussion and controversy. But its true significance lies not in its price, but in the profound insights it provides. Einstein's words in this letter reveal a nuanced perspective that defies simple categorization. Was he an atheist, a believer, a spiritual thinker? The answer is more complex than many assume. Rather than rejecting faith outright, Einstein offered a deeply intellectual approach to the question of God, one that acknowledged the order and harmony of the universe while challenging traditional religious doctrines. The letter was written in response to Erich Gutkind, a German philosopher and scholar at Princeton University, who had sent Einstein his book on Jewish spirituality. Einstein's response was candid and unfiltered. He expressed skepticism toward organized religion, viewing it as a human construct rather than a divine truth. He rejected the idea of a personal God who intervenes in human affairs, but at the same time acknowledged a profound sense of wonder at the intricate laws that govern nature. His words struck a delicate balance, challenging religious dogma while embracing the mystery of existence. Born into a Jewish family, Einstein was exposed to religious teachings in his early years. As a child, he briefly experienced a phase of deep religious enthusiasm, but as he grew older and immersed himself in scientific study, his perspective shifted dramatically. He found it increasingly difficult to reconcile religious narratives with logical reasoning and empirical evidence. However, unlike staunch atheists who dismiss spirituality altogether, Einstein maintained a sense of reverence for the vast and intricate design of the cosmos. He often referenced Baruch Spinoza, a 17th-century philosopher who rejected the concept of a personal God, yet spoke of a universe governed by unbreakable natural laws. Einstein once famously stated, "I believe in Spinoza's God who reveals himself in the orderly harmony of what exists, not in a God who concerns himself with the fates and actions of human beings." This perspective underscores his belief in a structured and rational universe, one that operates according to fundamental principles that scientists strive to understand. Despite his rejection of religious dogma, Einstein never embraced the idea of a random, meaningless existence. He often spoke of a cosmic religious feeling, a profound sense of awe inspired by the beauty, complexity, and vastness of the universe. This was not a belief in a supernatural being, but rather an acknowledgement of the deep structure and order underlying reality. In his view, the universe was an intricate system of laws waiting to be deciphered, and the pursuit of knowledge was a sacred endeavor in itself. One of Einstein's most famous remarks, "God does not play dice with the universe," perfectly illustrates his stance. He made this statement in response to the emerging field of quantum mechanics, which introduced the idea that chance and probability play a fundamental role in the behavior of subatomic particles. Einstein opposed this notion, arguing that even if science had yet to fully uncover the hidden variables governing these phenomena, an underlying order must exist. His belief in a logical and structured cosmos extended beyond physics. He also applied it to human ethics. He argued that morality should be based on reason, empathy, and intellectual growth rather than fear of divine punishment or expectation of reward. To Einstein, ethical behavior was a product of human responsibility, not religious commandments. Throughout his life, Einstein's views on faith and science sparked intense debates. Some religious scholars criticized his rejection of a personal deity, while some scientists dismissed his philosophical reflections as unnecessary. Others saw his perspective as a bridge between science and spirituality, proving that intellectual curiosity and a sense of wonder about the universe could coexist. In 1929, he clarified his beliefs in a famous exchange with a New York rabbi, stating that while he did not believe in a God who intervenes in human affairs, he was deeply moved by the elegance and harmony of nature. In this sense, he saw science as a way of uncovering the laws of the universe, much like how a believer might seek to understand divine will. Although Einstein distanced himself from organized religion, he never stopped searching for answers about the nature of reality. He understood that human knowledge has limits and that mysteries will always remain. His humility in the face of the unknown continues to inspire both scientists and philosophers today. His letter, written near the end of his life, stands as a testament to his relentless pursuit of truth and his commitment to intellectual honesty. He emphasized that humanity's path to understanding should be guided by reason, critical thinking, and exploration rather than blind faith. At the same time, he acknowledged that the universe contains wonders beyond our current comprehension. Einstein's Letter of God is more than a historical artifact. It is a document that challenges us to reflect on the intersection of science, belief, and human understanding. Whether one agrees with his perspective or not, his words compel us to think deeply about our own views on existence and the forces that shape the cosmos. They remind us that curiosity and questioning are the driving forces behind human progress. If you found this discussion insightful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more deep explorations into the thoughts and legacies of history's greatest minds. Don't forget to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective.